Birdsongs and Bliss. My dreams burrow deep into my mind, their lasting impression and forward momentum, often falling short of nature's artistic implementation. In fields of gold where dreams take flight, beneath the gentle cloak of night, the tapestry of stars begin their show, weaving tales of wonder for me to know. The moon, a lantern in the sky, casts silver beams, a lullaby. Upon the world a whispering calm, as evening's shadow blankets us from harm. It exists without judgment of right or wrong, in melodies that drift along. Their tiny voices fill the air, birdsongs and bliss for the unaware. The river's dance, a spellbinding waltz, reflects the universe's pulse. It carries every secret, our ancient lore, from distant lands to distant shores. Oh, nature's artistry divine, a masterpiece of grand design. From mountaintops to the ocean floor, a world of beauty to explore. So let us pause and take a breath, embrace the wonders nature's left, for in its grace we find our place, our little rock in the vastness of space.